Flower. Flower. This is a flower. Can you say flower? Flower. Flowers. Flowers. These are flowers. Flower. Chair. This is a chair. Can you say chair? Chair. Chair. Sun lounger. Sun lounger. Can you say sun lounger? Plant. 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 Can you say plant? Plant. Plant. Grass. Grass. Can you say grass? Grass. Window. Window. Can you say window? Window. Window. Leaf. Leaf. This is a leaf, and the plural of leaf is leaves. Look, these are leaves. Look. Baby. Baby. Can you say baby? Baby. B-A-B-E. Baby. Gate. Gate. Can you say gate? Gate. G-A-T. Gate. Stones. Stones. Can you say stones? Stones. Or you can also say rocks. S-T-O-N-S. Stones. Rocks. Bin. This is a bin. Bin. Can you say bin? Bin. Garden bin. Garden bin. Can you say garden bin? G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden bin. Tree. Tree. Can you say tree? Tree. T-R-E. Tree. Garden. Garden. Can you say garden? Garden. Garden. Can you say garden? Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Plant pot. Plant pot. Can you say plant pot? Plant pot. P-O-A-N-T-P-O-T. Plant pot. Solar light. Solar light. S-O-O-L-I-T. Solar light. Washing line. Washing line. Can you say washing line? Washing line. W-A-S-H-I-N-G-O-I-N. Washing line. Fence. Can you say fence? Fence. Fence. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please subscribe for more English learning videos. Bye. My baby sister is sitting on a chair, and under the chair is the grass. And behind the grass is a fence and some flowers, plants and plant pots, which are in the background. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.